Hey guys, this is Rob from Classic Car Living, and today we are at Gateway Classics in Lake Worth. There's over 100 cars on consignment here. People say there's no good deals. Let's go see if that's true. All right, let's start with this 1940 Plymouth P10. This car, they're asking $17,500. I'm gonna tell you the condition. It is in very nice condition. So those who say you can't find good deals, okay, it's not a muscle car, but it is a classic car. This is our first car, so let's take a look and see how many other deals. Let's take a look inside this. $17,500, okay? And next to it, we have this 1966 Chevy Impala, and they are asking $55,000. It is a convertible. Looks very nice. Okay, and next to it is a 1964 Buick Riviera, and they're asking $33,000 for this one. Nice stance, wheels, for $33,000. This car is in beautiful shape. Definitely worth $33,000. What do you guys think? And right next to it is a Malibu SS. Look at the stance on this. Let's see. Let's go all the way around this. This is a 65 SS asking $53,000. Tell me what you guys think a fair price is for cars today, because in all my videos they're saying that the prices are out of control. So is $53,000 too much? Or is $17,000 too much? What do you guys expect? What do you guys think you can get? Look at this interior. Gauges are awesome. Check out this 1972 Plymouth Roadrunner. They're asking $59,000. Let's try to get through this. As you can tell, it's a little tight. So $59,000 is, I would think, on the higher end for most buyers. And then next to it is a 71 Chevelle. This one's asking $75,000. Look, I think they give away free posters here, which is kind of cool. This is on the expensive end. It's a convertible. Now we have a 1970 Camaro for $50,000. It's a Z28 Camaro. Looks beefed up. Check out that hood. It's got the big tires in the back. Look. take a look inside. And now we have a 57 Thunderbird for asking $55,000, convertible. This is a new arrival here at Gateway. Let's check out the trunk. Check out this 1958 Porsche 356 replica, and they're asking $48,000. Comes with the hardtop if you want it also. So once again, we are at Gateway Classics Fort Lauderdale, which is actually in Lake Worth. If you guys are interested in any of these cars, make sure to reach out to them. I'll put the information at the end. Check out this Corvette convertible, asking $83,000. It's a 1966. Here we have a 1974 Triumph TR6 asking $21,000. Convertible. So here's another good deal. $21,000. Check out this 66 Coupe, asking $39,000. It's got the GT350 striping, obviously a replica. This is so tight, guys. Let's take a look inside. I'm gonna go around the other side, because I don't want to hit the car because that pole. Let's check out this side here. Got a little bit more space. Paint looks good. $39,000. So these are going to be the next classics, which is the 92 Fox Body convertible. This one's asking $17,000. I definitely cannot fit in there. So I'm gonna go this way. Automatic. All right, 1984 Porsche 944. Let's see if we can take a look of it inside from this side. It's very tight. What do you guys think this is going to be worth? Now we have a 928, and it's a 1982. Asking $35,000. I love the headlamps that pop up right there. Those things are so awesome. Risky business for you guys that are my age. Movie back in the 80s with Tom Cruise, this is what he drove. bubble butt, sunroof. All right, so here we have 1971 Cobra Jet 429, and they're asking $68,000. It's automatic. Here we have a 69 Nova, and they're asking $28,000. This is old school muscle right here. Check out the beef on that. Nice. And then we have a 1955 Bel Air, and this one's asking $174,000. Wow. It's a new arrival. Got some beef on it. It's definitely not your mama's Bel Air. Let's try to go inside. It's got the cage. Yeah, this is a racing car Bel Air. All right, let's go take a look. Look what they have over there. The General. All right, check this thing out. Wow. It's a 1965 Chrysler 300L convertible, and it's asking $50,000. This thing is beautiful. So for $50,000, although a little pricey for most of my viewers who complain about pricing, it is absolutely gorgeous though. You're talking get in, drive, and enjoy. Look at this. Look at the interior. Let you look at it there. Stick shift. And next to this beauty is a 1975 Eldorado, and it looks very, very original. They're asking $28,000. Updated interior, it looks like. Let's take a look at it. Bench. Oh, it looks like a bench seat, but they made it into two. And now we have this 1990 Jaguar XJ Series. Guess how much they're asking for this? Asking $12,000. There you go, $12,000. It's not your American muscle, but it is a classic European for $12,000. So there are some good deals out here. What was this car worth back in the 90s? It's got the speakers. Here's some more Europeans. A 1976 Mercedes, asking $19,500. This thing looks all beautiful. For $19,500, again, asking price. Everything is negotiable. Look at this interior. Convertible. You can cruise. Next to it is an 87 560 SL, asking $29,000. This is so tight, guys. Now we have this 67 Oldsmobile convertible, asking $42,000. Thing is a boat. Look how long this thing is. Holy smokes. Oldsmobile 98. And next to it is a 67 Pontiac Grand Prix convertible. And this one's asking $42,000. It's got the hidden headlamps. It's a Grand Prix. Hey guys, this doesn't have a price on it, but check out this Charger RT and look at what it is. The General Lee. Let's take a look at the top here. Looks in great condition. It must be a new arrival, so we don't know. But I will find the price out for you before I leave. Looks mint. Hey guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. As you can tell, there's still some really good deals out there. You just got to go out and find them. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. Until next week, take care.